Hello, everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So, let's start off with a little Monero. What we had going on here: reverse Gann box from the lows on the 6th, back in time to the highs on the 3rd, giving us a 195 and 198 to 199 cluster area. Coming up clearly, big igniting bar. Coming up to the 195, it actually got to a high of 196.24, pulling back nicely. Now basing sideways. Watch for the 8 to catch up, and then a return. We watching for the return to the 191.50, then the 195, then the 200 or 199 to 198. Essentially cluster up there. If this starts to dropping and does not base sideways, watch for a key pullback to about 180. Really 178 to 180, rising 8 EMA and a little cluster right there and prior breakout zone. If we were to fall back down, major key support then coming in at 173.29 to 174. Switching over to the daily chart. Daily chart. Here we come. So, trading right now, let me expand this even more, right at the top of the rotation zone. Really watch for this closes. It's much more bullish if it can close above the rotation zone, which right now is sitting about 185. I'm going to say 186. We want to close above 186. It would be even better if it closed above the 189 level. If it drops back in the rotation zone, it's not necessarily good for the strength, because that means the rotation zone has still held on a closing basis. So then we'll have to see how it pulls back on the 4-hour chart in terms of strength and how to move the stops. So we have for you on Monero. All right, let's check in on Ripple. Ripple, you see, clearly exploded through the next levels, coming up to the 37.5 retracement level, poking just above this, catching back on the rotation zone, hitting that level again after spiking up through. We also did a projection from the move that started it, which were the lows on the 9th up to the spike high on the 11th, which gave us the next major level, the 25%, this 52.89, which we spiked through, came back down, came down to the prior breakout zone and returned to 37.5 level, now rotating back up. We can take these levels right now and come up to this high to project our next levels up. Right now, finding resistance at the 200 period simple moving average. Now, if we pull back, very, very key support at 0.5557. You have the rising 8 in this 37.5% level, which was resistance, now becomes support. And if we did fall through that and fell aggressively, we'd be watching for a return to about 5256 area, the bottom of the rotation zone. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart clearly through the rotation zone on the daily chart. So, I mean, unless we fell very big down, we're going to close above the rotation zone, which is really nice. So we can start trading rotations on the 4-hour chart again. Next level's higher, 0.60707. And then we have a cluster coming in. You see the 62.5 retracement area and the 25% projection coming in at 0.6219 to 0.6234. That's going to be major. So if we get up there, move your stop up at that level. Sorry about the background noise. New puppy dropping, the new rescue puppy dropping the bone on the floor. Besides that, that's what we have for you in Monero and Ripple, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.